Meaning of fieldsman.
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 Fieldsman. The term fieldsman generally refers to a person who works in the field or outdoors, typically in agriculture or forestry. They may perform tasks such as planting, weeding, harvesting, and other agricultural activities. In forestry, a fieldsman may be responsible for maintaining the health of trees, checking for pests or diseases, and conducting surveys of the forested area. This term can also be used in various other contexts, including sports and military operations. Overall, a fieldsman is someone who works outside in various industries and performs a wide range of tasks related to their field of work.